Hello guys. So without wasting our time, let's get started with the last year revision strategy of IDT. Firstly, this video I'm making specially because I know this is the last paper, and before our last paper we have lot of anxiety and we are so frustrated from the exams and so tired that we just don't feel like studying. So this was the reason I have come up here to share this strategy with you. So the first thing is, in this 1.5 days, what is very important and you have to cover it for sure is 2 attempts of the amendment. That is the amendment of May 21 examinations and the November 20 examinations, because most of the time institute asks question from 2 attempts of the amendments. Okay, then the second thing is, whatever it is, at least take out 1 hour of your time and just go through some questions of the questions of MTP. It is very important to just have a look at the questions once of the current attempt MTP and the last attempt MTP, so that you can understand what new question have they given and how can you approach it if you get a similar question in the examination. Okay, then whatever questions you have solved earlier, just and whatever are the marked questions of yours, just go through it once. Do not get in diving into the questions a lot at this point of time, because you do not have much time. You have to be very clear with your provisions. So especially the important chapters, that are the basic chapters, your provision has to be very clear for the chapters like time of supply, place of supply, RCM, negative list. All these things are very important. ITC, of course. So these things you have to be very clear upon. So I just want to say that I know that today was your DT paper and you must have been completely exhausted. After all, DT is an ocean to study. So that is why, if you are not feeling like studying on your own, you can definitely refer any of the revision lectures. So below in my description box you will get some good revision lectures link, in which the revision lecture is available topic wise. Okay, so it will help you. So wherever you are facing any problem, just go through that revision lecture, whichever suits you well. Just go through it and quickly get done and dusted with the particular topic. And do not stop at any point of time. Do not stop at any point of time. Just keep going. It is the last paper. Day after tomorrow your paper is the last exam, and with God grace, for sure you might call yourself a chartered accountant after 2 months. So just wait for that day and just give your 100% in this paper. Okay, so main points: 2 attempts of amendments, 2 attempts of MTP, RTP. If you get time then see, otherwise just let it be. At least MTP, just go and see once. Okay, third, cover the topics through summary points. Fourth, wherever you feel like, just refer the revision lecture. Fifth, just look at some important questions whichever you have marked, and in whichever adjustments you have faced problem earlier when you were preparing for your examinations. And all the best. Keep rocking. This is the last paper. Just go for it and be ready to call yourself a chartered accountant very soon. All the best, guys.